parents, welcome to Science with Mr. Pettit. Guys, you know what? Whether your kids are out in the field gathering data, sketching site surveys, identifying organisms, noting pollutants, or they're in the classroom where they're holding discussions with their neighbors, deliberating answers to today's current issues, or we're out here in a classic lab setting. Guys, they are here doing science in a supervised setting, because the best way to learn anything is by doing it, right? Now, along the way, we're gonna hold lectures, they're gonna work on math skills, we're gonna take tests and quizzes. All of this is just in an effort to better learn the material so they can excel in their academics. Parents, I tell all my kids, they owe me 30 to 45 minutes a night of homework. Honors and regular ed, they owe me 30 minutes. AP students, they owe me 45. So when they come home and they say we have no homework today, guys, in the business, that's what we call a lie. And you can call them on that one. They come and say they don't, they do. They can be working on their cover page, a bit of a creative piece. They have to read the textbook. There is outlining. They need to work on a worksheet, clean up their notes, study for quizzes, prepare for tests. There is something they need to be doing, and they need to do it every day a little bit. It is better for them to spend 30 to 45 minutes a day than to try and cram it all in a 2 to 3 hour session right at the end. That cramming just doesn't work compared to a little bit all the time along the way. All right, guys, hopefully you have joined my Remind class, but if not, be sure to do so. I've sent a couple of emails out about how to get it done. It's also in the syllabus, which should be in your student's notebook, or my student's, your kid's notebook. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you, it is my pleasure to teach your children. I enjoy every moment of it. They are fantastic. And I just want to take this time to thank you for the opportunity for me to spend some time with your kids. Well, I guess at this point, we might as well head on back into the classroom for live and in person. We're going to tune out here, and I'll be here to help answer any questions you might have. So come on in and let's have a chat.